I want to have just a quick word about how you hold notes with your left hand, because it can be getting a bit tricky. So if we look over here, we're using the tip of our finger. It's curling round and it's just holding the fret. Now, I said it before, but just you don't put your finger on the metal, you put it just next to, and you hold it down with the tip. And then here's the secret, guys. Okay, probably should have explained this yesterday or the day before. Your thumb has to go right to the back, it has to be there, and it has to point straight towards the ceiling. Okay, and that allows you to clamp down, and you've got this sort of position to hold notes. What you see people doing is this, and they might sound great, but they didn't start like that. Okay, they started like this. This has allowed them to get the strength. This allowed them to get good. Okay, so don't do this. Even worse, some people are like that, and it's going to cause you massive problems later on. Okay, so thumb at the back, pointing straight to the ceiling, clamping. Okay, so your wrist is dropping quite low. It's not up here, it's dropped down, and that allows you to get the pressure, and that allows you to play the notes nicely.